Rohr here with an early global view on Wednesday, February 11th, 2015. It's currently 6:45 a.m. U.S. Central Time, and there's quite a few macro factors that'll dominate today, but bigger data later in the week even will still be affected by macro factors around the Greek debt revisit in Europe. We'll be back to that shortly. So, we need to ask, what does all this mean to the markets? And the answer is the risk-on psychology came back a bit on the consideration there might be some hope for the Greek debt situation to evolve into the extra forbearance that Greek is asking for with a short-term bridge loan and time to really enter an overall renegotiation. So after dipping late on Monday down near the 2040 to 2036 support, the psychology yesterday was better right away, so the market gapped higher and proceeded to grind its way back up into and slightly above the 2060 area. And in fact, this morning it's off 3 at 2059. So this is kind of important because, of course, that's also right around a 2057 Fibonacci level. The market violated on the way down, of course, into January on a couple different swings. And generally speaking, we'll see why 2060 is so important to this market when we get to the intermediate term charts. But for right now, if it can maintain itself 2060 to not too much below it, next resistance is not till 2075 to 78, and the major resistance is the old all-time trading high from late December up at 2088.70. On the way back down, it's interesting that initially there would be some support now on this channel moving up to about 2050 into mid-session today, and that's kind of important. 2050 is an old over-under area, less important across time, but the bigger support will remain back down at 2040 to 36, only reinforced by the fact that area is now the low for the week from Monday as well. Now, the other important factor as to where this market comes back under further pressure or keeps the bid today is the fact that both the hourly MACD and the 30-minute MACD pushed out just barely above their upper runaway band late in the day yesterday. So any maintenance of strength is going to maybe feed on itself. Any weakness is going to reject this and make it look like it could weaken further.